Today we are going to see the continuity of exercise 1.5. First I recall composition of functions. Let f sector a to b and g sector b to c be two functions. Then the composition of f and g denoted by g dot f is defined as the function g dot f of x is equal to g of f of x for all x belongs to a. For example, f ங்கிற function எடுத்துக்கிறோம். அதுல x f ஓட இன்புட். இப்போ நம்ம அவுட்புட் வந்து f of x கிடைக்கும். இந்த f of x இந்த g ங்கிற ஃபங்க்ஷனுக்கு இன்புட்டா கொடுப்போம். That is g dot f. That is composition of functions. Right. Next one, identifying the graphs of linear, quadratic, cubic and reciprocal functions. So the graph linear function or graph எப்படி இருக்கும்னு ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணனும். quadratic graph and cubic and reciprocal functions இதனோட graph எப்படி இருக்கும் ஈஸியா ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணலாம். linear function first one, linear function f of x is equal to x and f of x is equal to minus x னு வரும். That means y is equal to mx plus c. That is linear graph நோட ஈக்குவேஷன் சொல்லலாம். y is equal to mx plus c because x ஓட பவர் 1 ங்கறனால linear graph. இது 8th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்ல கிராஃப்ல வந்திருக்குப்பா. then f of x is equal to x. இதனோட graph பாத்தீங்கன்னா straight line ல வரும் கம்பல்சரி. இந்த ஷேப்ல வரும். right. that is f of x is equal to x. then f of x is equal to minus x. அது எப்படி இருக்கும்னா இந்த டைரக்ஷன். that's all. linear function is always one to one function. Very important. Linear function is always one to one function. Next one, modulus or absolute valued function. f of x is equal to modulus x. Modulus அப்படினாலே always positive value தான். For example, x is equal to minus 1 கொடுத்தா f of x க்கு வந்து plus 1 தான் வரும் modulus-க்கு. and also plus 1 கொடுத்தாலும் இங்கே ஆன்சர் அவுட்புட் என்ன வரும் plus 1 தான். right. then x minus x னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். இதனோட graph v ஷேப்ல இருக்கும். for example x is equal to 1 னு கொடுத்தோம்னா இங்க பாசிட்டிவ் இங்க நெகட்டிவ் minus x. for example x is equal to 1 னு கொடுத்தா in case y க்கு வந்து 1 வரும்னா 1,1 2,2 3,3 இந்த ஷேப்ல போகும். minus x னு கொடுக்கிறப்ப minus 1 னு கொடுத்தாலும் பாசிட்டிவ் வேல்யூ தான் வரும். சோ y ல இப்படியே போயிட்டு இருக்கும். சோ மாடுலஸ் ஃபங்க்ஷனுக்கு எப்படி இருக்கும்னா v shape la graph இருக்கும். so modulus function is not a linear function. Very important. Modulus function is not a linear function. right. next one, quadratic function. Quadratic function அப்படினாலே we know the power of x is 2. that is quadratic function. ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. that is quadratic equation. first one, y is equal to mx plus c. that is linear function. அதாவது linear equation னு சொல்லலாம். then ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. that is quadratic equation. இந்த quadratic equation பாத்தீங்கன்னா பரபோலா தான் வரும். அந்த பரபோலா இப்படியே இருக்கலாம், ஆப்போசிட் டைரக்ஷன்ல இருக்கலாம். அது எதை பேஸ் பண்ணி வரும்னா f of x is equal to x squared. that is positive. so f of x is equal to x squared. இதனோட graph இந்த டைரக்ஷன்ல இருக்கும். then f of x is equal to minus x squared. so graph இதனோட graph இந்த ஷேப்ல இருக்கும். that is quadratic function. then cubic function. cubic நாலே சேம் தான். ax cube plus bx squared plus cx plus d is equal to 0. that is cubic function. இது எப்படி சொல்லலாம்னா f of x is equal to x cube அப்படினு சொல்லலாம். f of x is equal to x cube. that is cubic function. இதனோட graph இந்த டைரக்ஷன்ல வரும். that's all. next one, reciprocal function. reciprocal அப்படினாலே for example x அதனோட reciprocal 1 by x. so இதனோட graph reciprocal இந்த டைரக்ஷன்ல போகும். next இந்த டைரக்ஷன்ல வரும். that is reciprocal function. for example 1 னு கொடுத்தோம்னா x ஓட வேல்யூ 1, y ஓட வேல்யூ 0.5 சரி 1 கொடுத்தா 1 by 1 1 1 comma 1 வரும். நெக்ஸ்ட் 2 கொடுத்தா 2 comma 0.5. ஸோ அந்த கிராஃப் இந்த டைரக்ஷன்ல போகும். நெகட்டிவ்ல கொடுக்குறப்ப இப்படி வரும். ரைட். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஆன் கான்ஸ்டன்ட் ஃபங்க்ஷன் f of x is equal to c. It is very simple. That is linear function x, x dash, y, y dash. That is you know because yesterday class வந்து graph இருந்திருக்கும். அதனால x x dash y y dash எப்படி ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்றதுங்கிறது உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். So that is y is equal to sorry f of x is equal to c. That is constant function. That's all. இதனோட ஃபங்க்ஷனோட வேல்யூ எல்லாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா ரியல் நம்பர்ஸா தான் இருக்கும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இதல பாத்தீங்கன்னா x ஓட வேல்யூ எப்படி இருக்குன்னா 0 to infinity அது மாதிரி போயிட்டே இருக்கும். அதாவது ரியல் நம்பர் அப்படினு தான் வரும். ரைட். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் 6th sum. Let f of x is equal to x squared minus 1. Find first subdivision f dot f and second subdivision f dot f. Solution. First subdivision f dot f is equal to f of x. Composition of two function எப்படி எழுதலாம்? x ங்கிறது இந்த f ஓட இன்புட். சோ அது எப்படி வெளிய வரும்ன்றது இன்ட்ரோடக்ஷன்ல சொன்னோம். Then f into f of x is equal to x squared minus 1. இந்த f of x ஓட வேல்யூ x squared minus 1 அப்ளை பண்ணிருக்கோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப் here x is equal to x squared minus 1, that is f of x. So f of x is equal to x squared minus 1. So x squared minus 1 the whole square minus 1. Once again here here x is equal to x squared minus 1, that is f of x. இது x squared minus 1 x ஆ கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கணும். So f of x என்னது x squared minus 1. So f of x is equal to x squared minus 1. So x squared minus 1 the whole square minus 1 இத அப்ளை பண்ணிருக்கோம். Right. Here x squared minus 1 the whole square, we know the formula a minus b the whole square is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So x to the power 4 because a squared x squared the whole square, we get x to the power 4 minus 2ab 2 into x square 2 into x square into 1 we get 2x square plus b square, it is 1 square, we get 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Therefore f dot f is equal to x to the power 4 minus 2x square, that is f dot f. Second subdivision f dot f is equal to f into f of x. Okay, then 3 times. So f into f of x. Here f into here f of x is equal to x squared minus 1. X squared minus 1. Right. Next one f into f of x squared, that is f of x squared. இதனோட வேல்யூ x to the power 4 minus 2x squared. The f of x to the power x squared minus 1 அதோட வேல்யூ x to the power 4 minus 2x squared. Right. Then here x is equal to x to the power 4 minus 2x squared. Right. Here f of x, that is f of x, we have f of x is equal to x squared minus 1. So x to the power 4 minus 2x squared the whole square minus 1 is minus 1. Here also using the formula a minus b the whole square. So x to the power 8 a squared, x to the power 4 the whole square, we get x to the power 8 minus 2ab 2 into 2 4 x to 2ab 2 into x to the power 4 into 2x square. So 2 into 4 x to the power 4 into x square x to the power 6. 4 plus 2 6. Then 4 into x to the power 6 plus b square. Then 4 into x to the power 4 minus 1. That is f dot f dot f. Next one, seventh sum. If f such that R to R and G such that R to R are defined by f of x is equal to x to the power 5 and g of x is equal to x to the power 4, then check if f and g are 1 to 1 and f dot g is 1 to 1. Given f of x is equal to x to the power 5 and g of x is equal to x to the power 4. Already I told you, linear function is a 1 to 1 function, right? Then we know the concept 1 to 1 function only f of a1 is equal to f of a2 is equal to a1 is equal to a2 now last கொண்டு வரணும் சொல்லிருந்தோம். So f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then f of x1 to the power 5 is equal to x2 to the power 5, then therefore x1 is equal to x2. Hence f of x is 1 to 1 function. First one over. Second one g is 1 to 1 on check பண்ணோம். Then given g of x is equal to x to the power 4, then g of x1 is equal to g of x2, then x1 to the power 4 is equal to x2 to the power 4. இங்க 4 cancel ஆகும்போது x1 is equal to plus or minus x1 வரும். Because பவர்ல ஈவன் நம்பர் இருந்தாலே நெகட்டிவ் வேல்யூ வரும், பாசிட்டிவ் வேல்யூ வரும். Because ஸ்கொயர் ரூட்ல வரப்ப நம்ம ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா plus or minus கொடுப்போம். In case இங்க என்ன வேல்யூ வேணாலும் இருக்கலாம், right? Therefore g is not a 1 to 1 function. அதை எப்படி ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணலாம்னா, for example x க்கு 1 minus 1 கொடுத்தா put x is equal to minus 1, then g of x, then g of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 to the power 4 we get plus 1, and also x is equal to 1, then g of 1 is equal to 1 to the power 4 we get 1. The domain minus 1 and plus 1, then codomain, then 1, ரெண்டுக்கு same image இருக்கு. The elements minus 1 and 1 in the domain have same image in codomain. So g of x is not a 1 to 1 function. G of x is not a 1 to 1 function. That's our next one. And f dot g is 1 to 1. Then f dot g is equal to f into g of x. Then f into, here g of x is equal to x to the power 4. Then f of x to the power 4. Here x is equal to x to the power 4. So இது f of x consider பண்ணு. Here f of x is equal to x to the power 4. இதில் apply பண்ணோம். Then x to the power 4 to the power 5. We get x to the power 20. 5 4s are 20. Then f dot g is equal to x to the power 20. இதுவும் ஈவன் பவர் தான். இதையும் நாம் எப்படி எடுத்துக்கணும்னா f dot g of 1 is equal to minus 1 apply பண்றோம். Minus 1 the whole to the power 20 we get plus 1, and also f dot g of plus 1 is equal to 1 to the power 20 is equal to 1. Here also domain minus 1 and plus 1, then 1. So minus 1 and 1 in the domain have same image in codomain. So f dot g is not a 1 to 1 function. The 1 to 1 function நாலே distinct elements are mapped into distinct images. அதாவது a ல இருக்கக்கூடிய every element b ல different element ஓட mapped ஆயிருக்கும். They are the 1 to 1 function. So it is not a 1 to 1 function. F dot g is not a one-to-one function. The eighth sum. Consider the functions f of x, g of x, h of x as given below, so that f dot g dot h is equal to f dot g dot h. In each case, we have three subdivisions here. So first subdivision, homework, that is very simple. Second and third now work out பண்ணிரம்பா. Right. First subdivision, f of x is equal to x squared, g of x is equal to 2x, and h of x is equal to x plus 4. So that f dot g dot h is equal to f dot g dot h. Generally, first we are find the inside of the bracket. So left hand side, f dot g dot h, then f dot g is equal to f into g of x, then inside of the bracket is f dot g. So f dot g is equal to f into g of x. Here g of x is equal to 2x. The g of x apply பண்ணிட்டோம், right? Next, here x is equal to 2x. Here x is equal to 2x. Consider f of 2x is equal to f of x. Here f of x is equal to x squared. So 2x the whole squared. The x in the place the 2x apply பண்ணிட்டோம். 2x the whole squared, that is 4x squared. That is f dot g. Then f dot g dot h. F dot g dot h is equal to f dot g into h of x. Then f dot g into, here h of x is equal to x plus 4. X plus 4. Here x is equal to x plus 4. So x plus 4, right? F dot g apply பண்ணோம். Here f dot g is equal to 4x squared. Here x is equal to x plus 4. Then 4 into x plus 4 the whole squared. 4 into x plus 4 the whole squared. Here applying the formula, a plus b the whole squared. A plus b the whole squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So 4 into x squared plus 2ab, 2 into x into 4. So 8x 2ab plus b squared, that is 16. 4 squared we get 16. Then 4 into x squared, 4x squared plus 4 into 8, 32. 32 into x, 32x plus 16 4s are 64. That is f dot g dot h is equal to 4x squared plus 32x plus 64. That is equation number 1. That is left hand side. Then right hand side, then f dot g dot h. F dot g dot h. Then g dot h, because inside of the bracket is g dot h. Then g into h of x. Then g into, here h of x is equal to x plus 4. Then x plus 4, that is g of x. Here x is equal to x plus 4. Then g of x is equal to 2x. Then 2 into x plus 4. Then 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into 4, 8. That is g dot h. Then f dot g dot h. F dot g dot h is equal to f into g dot h into x. Then f into the g dot h என்ன செய்யணும், apply பண்ணோம். Then 2x plus 8. Here x is equal to 2x plus 8. Then here f of x is equal to x square, then 2x plus 8 the whole square, because f of x is equal to x square. இந்த x ங்க இடத்துல 2x plus 8 இருக்கு, இந்த இடத்துல x ஆ கன்சிடர் பண்ணிட்டு f of x அப்ளை பண்ணோம். then a plus b the whole square format, then 4x square a square plus 2ab, 2 into 2 4, 4x are 32 into x 32x plus 8 into 8 64. Therefore f dot g dot h is equal to 4x square plus 32x plus 64. That is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. We have from 1 and 2 we have f dot g is equal, sorry, f dot g dot h is equal to f dot g dot h. That's all. Solution: f of x is equal to x minus 4, comma g of x is equal to x square, and h of x is equal to 3x minus 5. Then so that f dot g dot h is equal to f dot g into g dot h. Left hand side f dot g dot h. First we are find inside of the bracket. So f dot g is equal to f into g of x. Then f into g of x is equal to x square. Here x is equal to x square. Here x is equal to x square. Then f of x is equal to x minus 4. Here f of x is equal to x minus 4. So x square minus 4, that is f dot g. That is f dot g. Then f dot g dot h is equal to f dot g into h of x. Then f dot g into h of x is equal to 3x minus 5. 3x minus 5. So the x is equal to 3x minus 5. The 3x minus 5 x ஆ கன்சிடர் பண்ணோம்ப்பா. then இந்த f dot g ல 3x minus 5 அப்ளை பண்ணுவோம் f dot g ல. so 3x minus 5 the whole square minus 4. so இங்க x ங்கற பிளேஸ்ல 3x minus 5 இருக்கு. இது எதுல அப்ளை பண்ணனும் f dot g ல, right? then a minus b the whole square format. so a square 9x square minus 2ab, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 30 into x 30x plus b square, that is 5 square 25 minus 4, then 9x square minus 30x plus 21. That is equation number 1. This is f dot g dot h. That is equation number 1. Right. Next one, right hand side. F dot g dot h. F dot g dot h. First step, g dot h is equal to g into h of x. Then g into, here h of x is equal to 3x minus 5. 3x minus 5. Consider x is equal to 3x minus 5. Then here g of x. Then g of x is equal to x square. So 3x minus 5 the whole square. So a minus b the whole square format. 9x square minus 2ab, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 30 into x 30x plus b square, that is 25. 5 square we get 25. That is g dot h. Then f dot g dot h is equal to f into g dot h of x. Then f into g dot h of x is equal to 9x square minus 30x, 9x square minus 30x plus 25. Here x is equal to 9x square minus 30x plus 25. So இது ஃபுல்லா f of x ஆ கன்சிடர் பண்ணோம். f of x is equal to x minus 4. So x minus 4, then 9 x square minus 30x plus 25 minus 4. We get 9x square minus 30x plus 21, that is f dot g dot h. That is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, f dot g dot h is equal to f dot g dot h. That's all. Let f is equal to minus 1 comma 3, 0 comma minus 1, 2 comma minus 9 be a linear function from z into z. Find f of x. Given f is equal to minus 1 comma 3, then 0 comma minus 1 and 2 comma minus 9. That is pre-image image. அதாவது minus 1 னு கொடுத்தா நமக்கு 3 ங்கற இமேஜ் கிடைக்கும். and also 0 னு கொடுத்தா minus 1 ங்கற இமேஜ் கிடைக்கும். x க்கு 2 னு கொடுத்தா image minus 9 கிடைக்கும். So given f is a linear function. f is a linear function. So let f of x is equal to ax plus b. Linear function introduction கொடுக்கிறப்ப சொன்னோம் f of x y is equal to mx plus c ன்னு சொன்னோம். இதுல power 1 ன்னு சொன்னோம். So it is linear function. Here f of x is equal to y. f of x and y is same. So f of x is equal to ax plus b. Put x is equal to 0. Then f of 0 is equal to a into 0 plus b. So x is 0 னுக்கு f of x minus 1 னு கிடைக்கும். That is y. So minus 1 is equal to 0 plus b. Then b is equal to minus 1. Right. Then first b ab ஓட வேல்யூ ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணிட்டு இத அப்ளை பண்ணோம்னா நமக்கு linear function கிடைச்சிரும்ப்பா. b is equal to minus 1. Put x is equal to minus 1. Then f of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 a into minus 1 plus b. Then f of minus 1, x க்கு minus 1 னு அப்ளை பண்ணா என்ன இமேஜ் கிடைக்கும்? 3. So f of minus 1 is equal to 3. Then a into minus 1 minus a plus b. Then minus a plus b is equal to 3. Then minus a plus of minus 1 is equal to 3. Since b is equal to minus 1, then minus a minus 1 is equal to plus 3. Then minus a in the same place, minus 1 shift to right hand side plus 3, then minus 1 shift to right hand side plus 1. Minus a is equal to 3 plus 1 4. Multiply minus 1 on both sides. So minus into minus plus a into 1 a is equal to 4 into minus 1 minus 4. That's all. A is equal to minus 4. So a is equal to minus 1 minus 4 and b is equal to minus 1 in f of x. Then f of x is equal to ax plus b minus 4 into x plus of b is equal to minus 1. So minus 1. Then minus 4x plus into minus minus 1. That is f of x. Hence f of x is equal to minus 4x minus 1. That's 10th sum. In electrical circuit theory, a circuit C of T is called a linear circuit. C of T is linear circuit if it satisfies the superposition principle given by C of AT1 plus B. C of AT1 plus B T2 is equal to A into C of T1 plus B into C of T2. In the condition satisfied panna C of T is linear circuit where A comma B are constants, so that the circuit C of T is linear. C of T is linear proof pannom. So in the given in the கொடுத்திருக்கிற satisfy பண்ணோம். So first given in the C of T ங்கறதை நான் எடுத்து ப்ரூவ் பண்றதால இந்த ஃபார்மட் satisfy ஆச்சுனா நம்ம ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா of t is equal to 3d is linear சொல்லிட்டு போயிட்டே இருக்கலாம். So let c of t1 is equal to 3 into t1. இங்க t க்கு பதிலா t1 அப்ளை பண்ணிருக்கேன். c of t2 is equal to 3 into t2 given. Then c of t, here t is equal to at1 plus bt2 in the t இங்கிறது entire term எடுத்துக்கிறேன். Then a into t1 plus b into t2 is equal to 3 into t. So t இங்கிறது என்ன சாரி t இங்கிறது என்ன சொன்னா at1 plus bt2. So at1 plus bt2, that is c of t is equal to 3 into d. So here t is equal to at1 plus bt2. So c of at1 plus bt2 is equal to 3 into at1 plus bt2. Then 3 into at1 plus 3 into bt2 multiply பண்ணிட்டோம். Right. Then c into at1 plus bt2 is equal to 3 into at1 plus 3 into bt2. Then a into 3t1 plus b into 3t2 multiplication la abf starting எழுதிட்டோம். Then a into here 3t1 is equal to c of t1, c of t1 plus b into c of t2. Yes, c of t2 is equal to 3 into t2. So c of t2. So therefore c of at1 plus bt2 is equal to ac a into c of t1 plus b into c of t2. That's all. இந்த satisfy பண்ணிருக்கான்னு செக் பண்ணுவோம். c of at1 plus bt2 is equal to a into c of t1 plus b into c of t2. That's all. Therefore c of t is linear function. c of t is linear function. That's all. Thank you for தம்பி உங்களோட கிளாஸ் அவுட் நோட் ப்ராக்டிக்கல் ஜியோமெட்ரி கிராஃப் நோட் எல்லாமே கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணி ரிவிஷனுக்கு ரெடியாக வச்சுக்கோங்க. டெஸ்ட் எல்லாருமே பர்ஃபெக்டாக எழுதணும்ப்பா.